USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure that you subscribe, like and share. You know why these buttons are free? There's no charge to subscribe, like and share. Do that. And then below the video we have a link says swing like a pro. Click on that link, come to this page right here, watch these videos, and then you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. And then you have the consultation. If you want to speak with me, you can book one-to-one consultation, and you can always join free Telegram. It's free. Coming back to the chart, starting the weekly or starting the top-down approach from weekly time frame. So weekly we are well above the EMI, making new highs. Daily we are above the EMI. 4-hour we are above the EMI. Nothing to explain here. Look for longs after each pullback in 4-hour. That's it. If you can find a pullback, okay. If you can find a pullback, then good luck. So the trend is up in USDJPY. Only look for longs after each pullback. That's all about it. Otherwise, you can trade GBP USD, Euro USD, or maybe AUD USD. But two pairs are good enough, okay? That's all. So if you want to enter and exit with me, join the program, subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.